Hello all, we'll continue with the final part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting an interior in 3dsmax using Vray. So as we have generated an output through 3dsmax, so we'll open this file in Photoshop now. Go into file, open, and let's open that file over here. So you can open a file over here as we have generated this output in 3dsmax. So what else you can do first of all is right click over here, duplicate the layer first. So you can press Ctrl J on your keyboard and you can duplicate this layer. After that you can go into this and you can use a bit of color balance, or you can use a hue saturation also. You can use a bit of a hue saturation over here. So before using it, we'll just colorize it. So we can colorize it. So, okay, we'll apply a color balance over here. So you can apply a bit of color balance into that. We can apply a bit of a mid tones. So as we are going to add a bit of a red tone in it. The second thing we are going to add over here, that would be your exposure level. So as we need a exposure of it, so you can add a bit of exposure over there. Okay, so you don't make it more, but you can add a bit of exposure to it. So if you need any kind of a darkness over here, you can also add some curves into it. You can add some curves. So you can add some darkness. So if you like to add some darkness at the corner of this, so you can use this as you're working onto this RGB color mode right now over here. So you can add this stuff over here. Also, if you would like, you can take a new blank layer. You can go into this, you can try it if you want. You can add a gradient over here. You can add some kind of color gradient. So if you want a tint of yellowish orange or white over here, so you can add some colors into it. So you can push this up and you can add some colors into it, and you can change this blending mode. So this blending mode can help you out to see. As you can see, we are just changing the blending modes over here. We are checking out the blending modes, whichever suits the best, you can keep that. So you can reduce a bit of its opacity also. After this, select this. We have one more option over here, that is your photo filter option. So you can give a bit of photo filter over here. So you can add a photo filter over here. You can go into this, you can check out different filters. You can just drag down the filters. So you can take one of the filter, that is a sepia, and you can increase. So if you like to change its color into it, you can change the color. So if you sepia is that color, you can add some more like cooling filters also. So if you want some cooling filters, you can add some cooling filters into it. Okay, this is, I guess, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, this was the result, and we have generated this. So this is how you can see the breakdowns. So you can just select this all, and you can press Ctrl G to make a group. So you can see the difference. So we have just enhanced a bit more into this application, and you can save this file in a form of JPG, or you can if you're going to take a printout, you can take it in a form of a TGA, that is Targa. So Targa carries an additional alpha channel. So you get a lossless quality. You can take it in the form of a Targa also, and you can take it as around 32 bits per pixel. I click OK. So thanks for watching this tutorial.